Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you a unique and surprising method that how we turned our dollars into $1 million and how we can make money online for beginners tutorial. So this method is exactly working on a two-pilot system. So what I can show you right here is amazing and exciting. So what I need you just to watch the video to the very end to do not miss any single part of the strategy because we are going to put together some website and then maximize the result from that. So this method will just blow your mind that how it is working. But remember, it is free and as well as paid method. We are going to share with you both methods. So whatever or whenever the method you are interested with, that you can simply use and you can start making money exactly on this method, what's free and as well as paid method. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working, and let's not further waste the time and go step by step that how we are going to make money online with this easy and brilliant step by step tutorial. So before starting the method, I would just request you to watch the video to the very end and also just hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. And to all, whenever we upload new video, you will be the first person to just get benefit from that and start making money before than everyone right here. So we are going to share with you how we can make money with OfferVault, with ClickBank and CPAGrep.com. So it depends on you, whatever the website you are interested with, that you can simply just choose. For example, if you're using the ClickBank, then you just need to sign up with the ClickBank because we do have CPA offers and the ClickBank as well right here. If you are promoting with CPA Grep, you can sign up. But what I want from you is just sign up with one network and start promoting right here. As an example, I can simply show you the ClickBank in this video. So I can simply log into my account. If you are not logged into your account or you don't have account, you just need to sign up for a free account and then log into your account, then go to the marketplace and then click on the top offers right here. Once you click on the top offers right here, then you can simply, since I just told you that we are going to promote the CPA offers on the ClickBank as well, so we can simply just scroll down right here at the bottom and see here we can see here the features, and the first one will be the CPA offer. We can simply just click on the CPA, so that will show us those offer which is already having the CPA offers inside of that right here. So here we can simply have the Dentsu Tax, uh, Pro Stream, that is another offer which is having the CPA offer as well. And here we will have the pelvic floor strong, and we will have Altai balance, and then we will have the Okinawa Blood Tonic, which is a weight loss product. So that is also having the CPA offers right here. So the first tip is that actually that how we can promote CPA offers right here on the ClickBank. The first tip is that if you are promoting the CPA offers, then they just simply tell you clearly that CPA contact the seller to request approval. Means if you are promoting the CPA offers right here, but if you are promoting direct offer, you just need to click on the promote button and you will just click on generate hop link, and you will have and grab your affiliate link, which will be this one right here, that you can simply just copy and start promoting. But if you are promoting the CPA offers right here of Ukana Blood Tonic, then you need to click on this button, seller contact. Okay, so once you click on that, then automatically the email address that will be copied to your clickboard, and you just need to go to your inbox and Gmail or any email address that you are using. You just need to go there and you can simply send the message or email into the team and for approval right here. So once you are approved, then you can simply grab your offer link and start promoting right here. So here what we need to do, the first step is that this is the main sales page for Econova Blood Tonic. If you somebody just convert, they will watch this free video and that can easily convert into that right here. And here is the affiliate tools area right here. So once you have your CPL link for promoting, so then you can have the top converting email swipe right here by just clicking this button, and you will download all the email swipes and you can start promoting right here. But the main thing is right here that how we can promote. So we are going to share with you two different steps, which the first one will be the paid method. For paid method, we can simply use the zerofark.com. Okay, zerofark is a free, advertising platform, and that goes the best with the mobile options. For example, if you are promoting the CPA offers, then you need to use zerofark.com, because that is the only traffic source. That zerofark is a self-serve ad network for performance marketing campaigns, and they have three different options, something like, for example, push notification, domain redirect, and pop-up. Another coolest part about this website is right here that they have push notification monthly available clicks up to 1 billion plus, 1.3 billion plus traffic they have for monthly click. And if you just go to the pop-up ads, they are having more than a billion, something like 96.6 billion monthly redirects they have. And if you just go to the domain section, that how many ads they have 3.1 billion monthly redirect ads actually that they will have. So that's why it's a very popular website for promoting your offers, and it is the cheapest one that you can simply start with only $5. So the main target right here on this website is right here, and CPA offers actually, that if you want to make money online in CPA offers, you need to take action on the method and start promoting your offers with free or paid methods. At the backside, you can see the result. Create the campaigns, but if you cannot create the campaigns, you will never earn the money. Something like that right here. So that is a brilliant website. I don't want to tell you more about this website. You can simply go to the website and you can simply see here that how many traffic it is coming to this website, how many advertisers are there, how many campaigns are there, how many ads served daily actually on this website, like 3.5 billions ads are coming every single day on this website. So you can simply just go there and just check and sign up for the account right here. And the coolest part is right here that they are accepting any payments right here with bank transfer, for example, Wave Money, Visa, Mastercard, for example, PayPal. Anything you have, you can simply add $5 and you are good to go with that. So this is the paid method. You just need to click on the sign up button and you need to fill out this form right here. Okay, and then you can simply go click on continue. Billing information, you can simply add your billing information, and then you can contact details right here and you are good to go with that. Just add $5 and start promoting. But with free method, you can also promote right here. I'm going to suggest you the first website, which will be the adsthumb.com. Adsthumb.com is a great website, which is, you can simply see here that it is growing really fast right here. And day by day, it is growing, and they are having a huge traffic right here on this website. So you just need to go to adsthumb.com. This will be the main address right here. You can simply see here that this is the main website, adsthumb.com. You just need to go to this website and sign up or register for a free account right here. Then you can simply log into your account and then click on the add listing right here. So it's a brilliant website, and many people are using this website for promoting their contents for absolutely free, and they have a huge categories right here on this website, so you can simply use and start making money from that. The first step is that if I just search right here in the search for about ClickBank, I can simply see here numerous results right here, for example, that people are promoting their websites and their things right here on this website. And these are also uh, ClickBank offers right here that you can simply see here about weight loss. And if you scroll down, you will see another one right here, another one right here, another one. So these are a lot of offers right here that you can simply see here. Execute is another one. Icaria juice is another one. 40 pounds, which is the smoothie diet offer right here that people are promoting. So you can also promote right here on this website. If you just go to the execute, that is also a ClickBank offer right here. If you just click on that, you will see that people are promoting. And the coolest part is right here with this website, you can use your link right here, and that will be absolutely a clickable link that people can click on that and they will be redirected to the main sales page right here. This guy is promoting the execute, so we can also promote the Okinawa Platability Tonic and the same way and the same strategy, and we will have a lot of views, engagements, and clicks right here on this website. So if you just promote right here, So how we can do that? The first step is that we simply just click on the main website and click on the add listing. You will be just redirected to this page right here that you can simply add the category, choose in private individual, and then the title here, the description. You can also add the link by just clicking this button right here. Means you can simply just text something, write something, and just add link into that. Here you can use the price. Here you can target any country you want for the US or any other countries right here. Here you can simply use the tag that will be your ads will be available to multiple people, like weight loss, how to lose weight, belly fat, or Exipure, for example. Or you can use Okinawa flat belly tonic, how to lose weight fast. So these are the different keywords that you just need to use right here. Here you can simply use your seller information. You can add your name, phone number, email address. Phone number, you can simply hide it, but if you are from other country without US, you can still add into that right here. Here you can simply add the email address, then click I have read and agree term condition. I accept to receive marketing emails. If you want, you can simply check, otherwise don't. Then simply click on the next button. Once you click on the next button right here, then you can simply see here the next step, which is photo. You can upload the photo, and here you can add the payment, and then that will be the final step will be finished that you can simply use. So these are the best free method and strategy that I was about to share with you in today's video. You can simply use and you can start making money right now from today. So don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. And if you want to have my step-by-step guide from A to Z that how you can make money online, check out the first link in the description of this video, and we can simply share you the best method and strategies that how you can go on a two-pilot and start making money. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.